Hello and welcome to Maths Aid TV, here at Step-Aside ETSS. We're your hosts for the year, Ross and Fergal. Hello and welcome to STEAM HQ, your first maths video of the year. I'm going to keep it short, I'm going to keep it sweet. So, let's start off with 2 points. I'm going to go with 4, 4, and I'm going to go with 2 minus 2. Alright, they should be connected with a straight line. I haven't got a tool to draw a straight line right now. So I'm going to draw the straightest line that I can. Alright, I want to find out 2 things. One thing actually about this. I want to find the distance between those points. To do that, I could look in my journal, I could look in my maths tables book. Anyway, I'm going to get the same answer. To get it, I need to use the formula x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. If you can follow the formula, you're flying. You're going to get this. 4, 4, and 2 minus 2. I'm going to name them. Well, first coordinate is always x and the second is y. First is x, second is y, and in this case I'm going to call it x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, let's keep going. Let's sub in into the formula. x2 minus x1, so x2 is 2. 2 minus 4 squared plus y2 minus y1, which is minus 2 minus 4 squared. Let's keep going. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, that'll be squared, plus minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, will also be squared. Minus 2 squared is 4, minus by minus is plus, minus 6 squared again, minus by minus is plus 36. So our answer is going to be the square root of 40. Okay, if I want, I can leave it as square root of 40, otherwise I can break it down and try and work it out. I actually haven't got a calculator, so I'm going to have to make it up. It'll be, well, make it up is a bit strong. I'm going to estimate a hypothesis. I'm going to say it's going to 6.14. It'll be something along those lines. Okay, so formula, step 1. Labeling our x's and our y's is steps 2, x1, y1. x2, y2. Make sure you don't mix up the x's and the y's. Adding them into the formula is your next step, and completing the formula is your final step. Somewhere to beware is if you get lumped in here, if you're adding a number in here that's already a minus, well then you're going to have 2 minuses in beside each other, and minus by minus is plus. Okay, here we are, back for the second part. This time I'll choose a thicker pen if I can, and I'm going to go for midpoint. Where will you find the formula for midpoint? Oh yeah, it's either in your journal, your maths tables, or you might know it off by heart, but you don't need to. You'll always be backed up by one of those 2 things. y1 plus y2 divided by 2 is how you get your y coordinate, and previously to that, x1 plus x2 divided by 2. So we need 2 points. What do we choose? Let's go for minus 3 minus 6. Yes and sure. August 2, 0, which is just there. And we want to get the midpoint between those 2. So what's halfway between them? That's why we're dividing by 2. So our points, as we said, is minus 3 minus 6. Point 1. Point 2 is 2, 0. Alright, let's label them. x1, y1. There's always an x and a y inside each of the brackets. A coordinate is made of an x and a y. And you have x2 and y2. Whoop. Get back there, you. Okay, let's add them into our formula. I forgot a bracket there, I'll close that. Add them into our formula. x1, just add it straight in. x1 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus x2 is 2 divided by 2. And on the other side we have y1 is minus 6 plus 0 divided by 2. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. You're looking at minus a half. And minus 6 plus 0 is minus 6. So minus 6 divided by 2 If you want, you can simplify that again. So that'll be minus 0.5 minus 3. Let's mark that point in and see. Minus 0.5 minus 3 is going to be right there. Does that look like it could be halfway between minus 3 minus 6 and 2, 0? Yep, I think so. Yeah, job done. Again, formula at the start, followed by labeling your x's and y's, followed by adding them into your formula, followed by getting your answer. Again, if you're adding in, if you're dealing in minus numbers, you might hit a roadblock. But just think back to our basic maths last year. If you have two symbols the same, and a minus and a minus, you get a plus. A plus and a plus, you get a plus. If the two symbols are different, a plus and a minus, or a minus and a plus, you're going to get your answer as a minus. Alright, that of course is when you're multiplying, which is what we'll be doing if we're subbing in here, substitution in algebra. Thanks a million. See you tomorrow.
And that's it for Maths Aid TV this week. Hope it was a help, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't forget, we've got a weekly maths challenge. Correct answers on a slip will get you a thumbs up +5.